Okay. Now students, listen carefully. Huh? The same question. Okay, this same question, May 2008. Okay, question number 21. We have already done this one, right? Now, I will switch over to a similar question. See, you will find that how similar the question is. See this. May 2008 and April 2016. See, the questions were similar. It was a similar question. See, पूरा sum आप देखोगे ना, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक पूरा sum same है, except the last part. Except the last part. Your direct material is the key factor, and in that sum, labor was the key factor. Can you see the relevance in the sum? Just acknowledge it in the chat box. May 2008, the sum that we did in the last lecture and the sum that we are going to do today are exactly same sums. The only difference is their labor was the limiting factor and here material is the limiting factor. Are you able to connect it? Acknowledge it in the chat box. See this, see. Okay? And maybe go through the whole question. See this. Okay? Everything is same except the last line, as I told you. Okay? So obviously steps in all are going to remain same. Okay, see the similarity. Units budgeted and to be produced, selling price, requirements per unit, direct material, direct labor, variable overheads, variable cost, fixed overheads, fixed cost, cost of direct material. So this will be multiplied so that we get the material cost. Okay, direct material multiplied with cost per material. Then labor. Okay, 4 hours into 2 rupees. Multiply. Maximum possible units of sales is given. Then material, what they have said, machines and labor. Same raw material, same machine and same labor is used to make all the three products X, Y, Z. Okay. Okay. So the starting steps are going to remain same. Sales less variable cost till here. Okay. Now this will change. Okay. Obviously this will change. So note this down. Sales 60, 55 and 50. Variable cost 1, 2, 3 variable cost you have. Direct material 5 kgs multiplied with 4 rupees. 3 kgs multiplied with 4 rupees. 4 kgs multiplied with 4 rupees. 5 fours are 20. 3 fours are 12. 4 fours are 16. Then come to direct wages. 4 hours into 2 rupees, 3 hours for making one product of B, and you're paying 2 rupees per hour. Third, C is taking 2 hours and you're paying 2 rupees per hour. Okay, so 2 4 twos are 8, 3 twos are 6, and 2 twos are 4. Then variable cost is given to you. Other variable cost I'm talking about 7, 13, and 8. Okay, so my contribution is okay. So till here the step is going to be same. Obviously because पूरा sum same है except limiting factor. ठीक है, the whole sum is same as your question number what you called, yeah, 21, what we had done in the last lecture. It is the same sum. Okay, तो ये step तो common हो गया. Now देखो what is going to change. इधर instead of labor, here it will be raw material is the limiting factor. Okay, अभी एक यूनिट ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल, एक यूनिट बनाने के लिए 5 kgs रॉ मटेरियल लगता है, 3 kgs and 4 kgs respectively. Okay, so contribution per unit of labor hours की जगह पे क्या आएगा, contribution per unit of, try to understand this as students, don't mug it up, contribution per unit of raw material. Okay, so my formula will be contribution per unit divided by raw material. Divided by raw material. Okay, so that means how are you going to take it? How much is the raw material? I mean contribution 25. 25 divided with 5 kgs. 24 divided with 3 kgs. 22 divided with 4 kgs. Okay, like this. So 25 divided with 5, 5 rupees. So write it 5 rupees. 24 divided with 3, 8 rupees. And 22 divided by 4, 5.5 rupees. Okay, like this. Okay. Now tell me, how will you give the priority order? Which product will be given the first rank? Which product will be given the first rank? I mean, tell me about the ranks. Rank 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I want it that way. Hmm. Okay. B will give in with the first rank. Yeah, very good, Sahithi. Yeah. तो प्रायोरिटी ऑर्डर के हिसाब से तो या ऑब्वियसली दिस विल गेट द फर्स्ट रैंक, ये इसको सेकंड रैंक और इसको थर्ड रैंक. ओके, so this will be my priority order, or you can use the word ranking. Okay. ठीक है. So the first step is clear to everyone. Step 1, where you are giving ranking to the product. Okay. तो एक चीज़ याद रखना. Yeah. In all the sums that you do of limiting factor, you have a common step till here. See, even the last sum that we had picked up, I had started, उसका यहाँ तक पूरा स्टेप सेम था. स्टेप्स कहाँ से चेंज हो रहा है? जहाँ से आपका लिमिटिंग फैक्टर में वेरिएशन हो रहा है. ओके. तो ये जो स्टेप है, फर्स्ट स्टेप till contribution per unit, it's going to remain same for any sum you pick up. Okay. Only the changes will come post that step. Okay. Am I clear about it? समझ में आया? Acknowledged in the chat box. Now we'll move on to step 2. ठीक है. So this is step 2. ये भी same रहेगा. So see, I will show you the required changes that I'm going to do. Allocation of, इधर क्या आएगा? Raw material consumption. Okay. So put the rank. So put the ranks. I mean, give the ranks first, second, and third. The first rank is to B, second rank is C, and third rank is A. If I'm not wrong. Okay. First rank is, actually here the word is XYZ. Okay. Since it was a similar sum, yeah, we will change this also. XYZ. Okay. So first rank is to Y, then is Z, and then is X. Okay. Y, Z, and X. Okay. Now, maximum possible units of sales. ठीक है. इसका कितना है? 500. ठीक है ना. So start calculating. ये हो जाएगा रॉ मटेरियल कंजम्पशन या रॉ मटेरियल इन kgs. तो 5000 kgs, नहीं, not kgs, it is units. 5000 units मल्टीप्लाइड विथ, एक यूनिट बनाने को कितना टाइम लग रहा है? एक यूनिट बनाने को कितना रॉ मटेरियल लग रहा है? 5 kg, 3 kg and 4 kg. So y is 3 kg. So 5000 into 3 kgs. So 5 3s are 15,000. Okay. 15,000 kgs. It's very simple. 1 unit of finished goods take 3 kgs. So for 5,000 units, how much? Obviously, we'll cross multiply 15,000. I hope you all are understanding this. समझ में आ रहा है? Please acknowledge it in the chat box. Are you guys understanding it? Next is Z. How much? 1500. So 1500 units multiplied with, एक यूनिट बनाने को लगता है 4 kgs, multiplied with 4 kgs. So 1500 into 4, 6,000. Okay. And how much is the limiting factor? 36,000 kgs. So write it here. 36,000. Okay. Go reverse. 36,000. When you go reverse, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. Minus 6,000 minus 15,000. कितना बचा? 15,000 बचा. Okay, so write here 15,000. ठीक है. अभी for x, how much it takes? 5 kgs. Okay, so now what will I do? 15,000 divided by 5 kgs. Do it. So 3,000 units में बनाऊंगी इसका. Okay. As per the question, how much should I take? I should have taken 4. So 4 into 5 कितना होता था? 20, which would have exceeded this limiting factor. बराबर ना? 15,000 plus 6 plus 20,000. See, exceed हो जाता, 41 हो जाता, जबकि 36 है, right? तो इसलिए what will I do? I will take here 3,000 units multiplied with okay, fine. So got the last step is clear. How did you get 3,000? Yeah. First, what will you do? First, you will give ranking to the products. After ranking, you will allocate them as per their limiting factor. Okay. So here in the first case, product Y, 5,000 units, maximum possible units दिया है question में. 5,000, 1,500 and 4,000. Okay. But since Y is more profitable to you, okay, so what will I do? I will take only Y का फुल पार्ट. ओके, बिकॉज इट इज़ मोस्ट प्रॉफिटेबल ना, उसका सबसे हाईएस्ट कंट्रीब्यूशन है 8 रुपीज़. ओके, सो मैं उसके पूरे मैक्सिमम यूनिट्स बनाऊंगी 5000। तो उसके लिए मुझे कितना रॉ मटेरियल यूज़ हो जाएगा? माई 15,000 kgs ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल विल बी यूज्ड अप। ओके, इन दैट प्रोसेस ये रहा। देन नेक्स्ट, मोस्ट प्रॉफिटेबल टू मी इज़ व्हाट? प्रोडक्ट जेड। उसका कंट्रीब्यूशन कितना है? 5 रुपीज़ 50 पैसा पर यूनिट। ओके, so again I will give next priority to this for production 1500, so 1500 into 4, so my 6000 kgs of raw material will be used. Okay, and for the third, because it is the least profitable, its contribution is 5 rupees per unit. So मैं इसका क्या करूँगी? Whatever is the balance with me, I will use that. Okay, that combination I will use. So 36,000 तुम्हारा लिमिट है रॉ मटेरियल का, तो 36,000 माइनस 15,000 माइनस 6,000, सो 15,000 बच गया, डिवाइडेड बाय 5 kgs per unit, so 3,000 units of X I will prepare. You can use the other logic also where you're talking about kgs and units. Okay, so एक यूनिट बनाने के लिए 5 kgs, तो 15,000 kgs बनाया तो कितना? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, सी यू गेट द सेम आंसर. Is this clear? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Is this clear to everyone? So basic of maths you should know. Now come to step 4. Step 2 is done. Last step. Step 3 पे आ जाओ अभी, ये वाला. Okay. Now based on your step 2, we will make your step 3. So what's the combination here? We will be using that combination X, Y, Z. Okay. X. How many units I am making? 3,000. Y 1500 and Z 5,000. Multiplied with their respective contribution per unit. X ka is 5 rupees, Y ka is 5.5, and Z ka it is 8. Okay, so 3000 into 5 rupees is 15,000. 1500 into 5.5 is 8250, and 5000 into 8 is 40. Total it 40 plus 8250 plus 5000. Not 5000, 15,000. 63,250. Write it here, 63,250. Okay. Next, fixed cost. Fixed cost will not change whether labor is limiting factor or raw material is limiting factor. Okay, Y is 8 rupees. Okay, okay. Y is 8 rupees. So Y का maximum possible units कितना लिया था हमने? 5,000. Okay. 5,000 into 8, and this will be 1500. 1500 into 5.5. So this is going to be 40, and this will be 8260 something. 1500 into 5.5, 8250. Okay. Once again, I will just cross check. Yeah, 63,250. Okay. फिक्स कॉस्ट तो आपका बजटेड पे ही कैलकुलेट होगा. या दैट इज हाउ मच एक्स वाई जेड ना 1800 3000 and 1200. 1800 3000 and 1200. Yeah. Into 10 into 10 into 10 respectively. So 18,000, 30,000 and 12,000, and the total comes to 60. ठीक है. Now check. 15,000 minus 18,000 is 3,000 negative. This is loss. 40,000 into 30,000 minus 30,000 is 10,000 profit, and 8250 minus 12,000 is 3750 negative loss. Overall profitability देखो 63,250 minus 60 कितना आया 3250 पॉजिटिव. क्रॉस चेक करो 3,000 and 10,000 is how much 7 है ना 7,000 positive. 7,000 minus 3750 is 3250. Okay, so ties. Okay, vertically, horizontally it should tie. That's it. Okay, so this is your overall profitability as per the suggested sales mix. तो ये आपका sales mix है 3,000 units of X, 5,000 units of Y, and 1,500 units of ये रहा. ये है आपका sales mix. ये this combination. this. This combination is a sales mix. 5,000 units of Y, 1,500 units of Z, and 3,000 units of X. So it's a combination sum of type 6 product mix and limiting factor, where it was the same sum of as question number 21 that we had done last time. Same sum है, सिर्फ ये part नहीं था. Direct material is the key factor. That's it. Otherwise, the whole sum was same. And see how the priority orders have changed because the limiting factor has changed. See the allocation has changed. See the statement of profitability has changed. Okay, depending on the limiting factor that is considered by the organization.